for the next 10 more minutes. You can have vintage financing, 5% down, so you can have 95% loan. This is absolutely amazing. It's using OPM, other people's money. You're getting this fixed rate 30-year rate mortgage, a VA, which is amazing. Getting a mortgage to leverage your wealth is a key to achieving financial freedom using real estate. 30-year fixed rate mortgage, it is the financing greatest invention since apple pie. A mortgage is an inflation-induced debt destruction. Use good debt wisely multiple times over. That's how you create financial freedom through real estate, through the power of leverage, through the power of OPM, other people's money, lenders' money. You could reap the benefit not necessarily in the first year, but the key is your rent is expected to increase to 5%. You may get no cash flow the first year, maybe even break even, maybe even slight negative, but you have to think big picture. You're buying this kind of property for the long term, buy and hold 10 years or more. Every year, you see your numbers to become much, much better. You're really going to increase over time. You can see some real benefit of the third and fourth and fifth year. Stay focused, stay disciplined, knowing your long-term investment gradually will see better numbers. Your rent going to go up, then your cash flow passive income can go up, not as much as your taxes, insurance, or debt service you have to pay. But the beauty is, not only that, your rent will go up, your mortgage will be systematically paid down because your tenant is making you which systematically can pay down your debt. So your debt going to increase over time. So this means that the value, if you get 5% appreciation annually, assumption I made, your market value will grow, your loan balance will decrease, and your equity will increase because your loan to value spread gets lower and lower. Every year, when you track your investments, you can get better cash flow, higher appreciation, equity growth, lower loan balance. You will have a lot of equity to play with down the road. All those benefits, tax benefit also, which I haven't talked about it. So many different ways you can make money. At the end of the day, you invest over time. You invest for long term. You go from whatever you make right now, $50 per hour, $100 per hour. You work 40 hours per week, perhaps. In about 10 years, we will buy multiple properties, one rental at a time. Over the course of 10 years or more, you're working hard. You could be working smart. Now you're making $100 per hour, slaves away in a rat race. And then in the future, when you scale rental property, whether it will be via foreclosures or other type of rental property, you accumulate. Eventually, who knows, 10 to 15 years, you could go from $100 per hour right now to $10,000 per month, per hour. You can work from 40 hours to 1 hour because your real estate portfolio will be turnkey. You do very little work, okay? Trust me. So your W-2 of $28,000 salary right now will become $10,000 monthly passive income through your real estate portfolio. Just off the wall formula that I create for my investors over the years, 10, 10, 10. Quick and more could last by 10 rentals, retire in 10 years, and live off $10,000 in monthly net cash. The power of OPM, the power of leverage, the power of other people's knowledge, OPK, OPL, other people's labor. You delegate all those handyman. You're not going to do any TNT, no tenancy toilet. Your hands will be clean. You can do this remotely, 1,000 miles away, 2,000 miles away, passively, and how you design your portfolio. It takes time, of course, but you read this on your own, make a different way to leverage, cash out refinance, equity, all those kind of things. Most important of all is your single family residential investing methodology. Your income property is history's most powerful and proven multi-dimensional real estate asset class. It is the world's greatest wealth building investment vehicle. You get paid 5 different ways, not just to live with the cash flow. When you look at the pro forma, your first year may not be attractive to you, but total return over the next 5, 7, 10 years and beyond, you have the discipline, the commitment to overcome any short-term challenges. You can come out ahead, right? You have to show positive attitude, a lot of commitment, a lot of dedication, don't give up attitude. At the end of the day, you probably pay you multiple ways. Like I said, powerful cash flow, tax benefits, appreciation, leverage through loans, and loan pay down by the venture. No other asset class are similar to single family home residential investing. No other asset class is comparable because they are very risky. They don't have leverage, and your rental property over time, depending on what you buy, you can convert your long-term rental into a short short-term rental if the local area provides the Airbnb, or is a mid-term rental renting for 1 month to less than a year. Mid-term rental is up and coming asset class. You'll learn more about it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and log into my website also. So many different ways you could recharacterize your house. You could add on, upgrade your house, add a bedroom, collect more income, you change your rental into owner-occupied property. In the future, you can convert into a vacation home. You could sell some of your rental property to do a 1031 tax-deferred exchange and not pay taxes. You can do a cash-out refinance or equity you're going to grow in the next few years. You can leverage and buy more properties. You saw the power of leverage. Warren Buffett, the great legendary stock market investor, said years ago, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. A lot of people are very fearful right now and greedy in a good way, of course, take action while everybody are scared and sitting on the sidelines at a contrarian. And this system requires urgency. All right. So if you value from this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. Finally, please register your email into my website below. Once you join my network, my risk investment club, you're going to receive free real estate market updates for investors. And you'll see other people I invite to my channel to discuss all areas of real estate. We help investors invest out of state. This is our specialty, and we connect you with experienced real estate agents and experts within our network in the hottest markets in the country, including via foreclosure system. Regardless of where you live, you can invest profitably cash flowing properties in the robust entry-level markets in the country and have team do all the dirty work for you. And while you work remotely, passively enjoy your massive real estate portfolio to achieve your financial dreams. Thank you so much. This is Seewing Yee. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.